Hey guys, let's work on some empty number lines in lesson 5.7. And I need to move myself around here again and zoom in. All right. Do you think that these two items cost more or less than $100? And how did you decide? So we have some headphones for $65 and a keyboard for $52. How could we figure out the total cost on this empty number line? So what I like to do, and empty number lines are awesome because we can use them how we want to, as long as we get to the correct answer. So we'll start at 65. That's the largest number. So I'm going to mark 65 here. There's definitely more than one way we can do this. I'm just going to show one way and then we'll look at another one down here. So if we're going to add 52, 52 has 5 tens, so that's 50, and 2 ones. Okay, so let's add the tens first. So if I'm counting by tens starting at 65 and I'm adding them, I'm going to go like this: 65, 75, 85, 95, that's 3, 105, 115. Okay, so that's 5 tens. I just added 50 plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. Okay, and we landed at 115. And then we need to add 2 ones. So do a jump of 2 plus 2, 115, 116, 117. So these two items together cost $117. Sometimes it's easier to show your thinking on an empty number line because you don't have to think about the exact position of each number. Yuma decides to make these jumps. So she went from 65, added 35 to jump to 100. So she jumped to the nearest 100. It's just like that make 10 strategy, except we're making 100. So 65 plus 35 is 100. Plus 10 more is 110. Plus 5 is 115. And plus 2 is 117. So a different way, breaking up 52 in a different way than we did above, still getting to 117, okay? 35 plus 10 plus 5 plus 2 equals 52. So that's where you can see that we added 52. Okay, let's look down here. So we'll do one together and then go over the rest of the assignment. Figure out the total, draw jumps, and write numbers on the number line to show your thinking. So we're going to do 50 plus 37. So 50 is our larger number. We're going to start with that. I'm going to stick 50 on here. Add 37. So 37 has 3 tens, which is 30, and then 7 ones. So let's add those tens first. 50, 60, 70, 80. So that is 3 tens, which is 30, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. So 50, 60, 70, 80. So we landed on 80. And then we're going to add 7 ones. 80 plus 7 is 87. Plus 7. Let me just stick 87 right here, okay? And on the next page, you have a few more of these. Make sure you check and start with the largest number. For example, the first one is 36 plus 60. You don't want to start with 36 on the number line. It's much more efficient to start with 60. Stick 60 on there. Break 36 up into tens and ones. Add those tens, then add the ones. Or if you like to do it a different way, you do it your way. Okay, it's an empty number line. Step ahead, we've got another set of little puzzles here where we add the tens and the ones. This is 80 plus 38. Add 30, see what you get, and then add 8. Same thing down here, okay? Have fun with the empty number lines.